Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today on my YouTube channel is how to make super scratchy slime. So subscribe, like, and comment on below some things you think I should do next week's video. And no further ado, let's get this video started. Let's go! So I'm back, and you're gonna need a cup, glue, contact lens solution, and contact lens solution is actually optional, and you're just gonna need some lotion. I'm just using a pen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some glue in here. I'm gonna open the top because woo!
With hotels getting so expensive,
You gotta put some glue in your cup.
Priceline found a way with Express Deal Hotels. We work with top hotels to fill their unsold rooms, saving you up to 60%. Just tap and go. Check them out now at Priceline.
Wi-Fi. We
Okay.
cannot live without it. And if we can't live without it, maybe it's time to reimagine it and make it even better. So it's awesomely fast. No,
So then I'm just gonna stir it.
So it works here, and here, and here. And so you can even take the occasional time out.
Then I'm gonna put some lotion in there. I'm just using cocoa butter lotion because it's gonna smell good. I'm not saying you have to, but if you want to, you need to use
Go buy them now.
contact lens solution,
They're footlongs and
which
they're
you need
$6
to,
for now.
so that
So much sandwich.
it'll.
That's what they'll call it.
If you're on a diet of taking it up a notch,
That's way better than mine.com.
drink Diet Dew. The only diet with dew in it.
I just put a lot in there
Jason just
so
got dumped, but he's
it
comforting
can
himself
turn
with
out to be
seasoning, fried
slime.
potatoes, and warm nacho cheese sauce. Bye, Jenny. Taste the comfort with the new Dollar Beef Potato Rita, only at Taco Bell. Every Sundown Naturals vitamin is now non-GMO. We did it for everyone, like Joel, who lives for Thanksgiving. I go all out. We went non-GMO just for you, Joel, and everyone else. 100% non-GMO vitamins. Sundown Naturals. New Max Boost from Maxwell House with 3 levels of caffeine, so you can design it, build it, enjoy it. New Max Boost from Maxwell House with 3 levels of caffeine. It's customizable coffee to fit your life.
These custard concretes are so thick and creamy. It's incredible.
So thick and dense. They really remind me of somebody that we know.
Can I guess?
Sure.
Okay.
Very dense person.
Very dense.
Super slow on the uptake.
Can I call a friend?
Sure.
Okay.
Sorry, Melissa.
Okay, so
Hello, Peter.
it came out great.
Chocolate chip
But
cookie dough.
what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna throw it in the refrigerator for a little bit, and I'll come back when I'm done. So let's go.
Set a curfew.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator.
Make dinner time device free. A smarter way to Wi-Fi is awesome. Introducing Xfinity X5. Amazing speed, coverage, and control. Change the way you Wi-Fi.
Here's my other 2 packs of slime that I made,
The future of awesome.
but that's when I had everything. So yeah, everything is like optional. It's whether if you want to use lotion. I just want to use lotion because it makes it super squishy.
You can turn it down a little bit.
Okay.
Yes, at the moment it seems that I am in charge. They're starting the line.
We need to shut down the competition.
Like hell.
Oh, and also you can get this free makeup clip makeup kit from Claire's.
Did you not just see the shark you caught? You caught a shark, didn't you?
Yeah, it's free.
That contraption of yours.
I know, it's kind of weird that it's free, but yeah, it is.
It was huge.
Because they said that they're going to be having it on sale till
Clearly states
like
of the Mississippi River,
September the 8th.
page 47.
So if you go to Claire's, I think they're going to give it to you for free, because I just went like yesterday and they give it to me for free. But please don't think I'm lying, because I'm really not. It's a good makeup kit.
cares about the competition. People are dying.
My cousin just actually left and did my makeup.
It says we have 35 participants.
Did they sign up with phone numbers?
Yeah, I mean, there's a spot for it on the entry form, but I don't have those with me.
Can we get them?
They're back in the harbor house. Yeah, I can go and get them.
Yeah. All right, please.
So we're going to see if it's ready.
You all right?
No. You first assignment.
So as you can see, it has molds. So I'm just going to take some little piece just to make sure that it's ready.
Over here.
This here sounds real crazy, but we're getting calls about a shark at the marina.
Tara. On my way. What's taking that guy so long?
Yeah, I'm thinking I should just go look for him.
Hey, would you leave
Come
that
in.
alone?
Well, why you keep knocking on my door, man? Huh? Huh?
Thanks, dear.
You ain't even talking to you.
Car. Little around. A little bit more.
Go look at Shrek. Go ahead.
A little bit.
Look at his face, Grandma.
You little Becky!
Truck back.
Kashi, can you take me to Dollar General? Huh?
How's it going, boss?
Huh?
Nah, General, do what, man?
Never mind.
Oh. Brain freeze.
That's just a what?
Cut him having the worst luck.
You're not gonna take me anyway.
People, Bill. People
Yeah,
need nice shirts. That's okay. The people need cars. The people need
You know your mom ain't gonna take you. Shit, she ain't got home.
So you have to
She said she was going to
This is too bad.
what you call it? What you call it?
drink.
The gym.
You went over there. How you know she at home?
Cause your mama a liar.
You ain't even go over there and check, did you?
You know she alive.
Ow! Oh, where this come from?
Boy, you took the pillow along my arm.
You didn't come with that?
Okay. No wonder he ain't got back. He gonna get your ass.
What was it?
Shark. In the water.
Oh. You guys are still there. I forgot about you guys. Anyway, I let it sit for a little bit and it's
Just a blood in the water.
slurry.
Seemed like I'll bring it.
So, goodbye and thank you for watching this video.
Take him out.
Goodbye and adios, amigos.
Shark fight. You just can't.